It is Sewmas time. Okay, so technically what I want to make is going to be a squishable, and for the ears, it'll kind of be like a half circle shape. Okay, I have the pig's face done. I think it looks really cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I'm doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. It is finally that time of year when I do Sewmas, and for today's Sewmas video, I am doing a Squishmallow. It's technically a Squishable, but I will get to that in the video some, but I thought this was really cute. I have a few Squishmallows, Squishables, my sister has a ton, but I I really like them. I thought this would be really fun for Sewmas because it could be a really cute gift to give to someone. Also to make yourself one because it's nice to sleep with some stuffed animals. So I hope they all like this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. It is Sewmas time. So if you are not aware, every year for the holidays, I do 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects, and I think this is my fourth year doing it. So I feel like I have good things planned, and if you're watching this, I should already have my first video posted with a holiday shirt. Kind of simple this year, but I thought, I love how it turned out, and I might actually be going to a holiday party this year, so I will probably wear that. Either that or the one I made last year, so I'll put in a picture. But in this Sewmas project, I'm going to be making a Squishmallow. Okay, so technically what I want to make is going to be a Squishable, and I'll show an example. Okay, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. So a Squishmallow, this is a Squishmallow. This is Lumpy Space Princess, not because I've watched Adventure Time, but because she's very lumpy. This was my sister's and she accidentally left it one time, and I choked it while I slept. So Squishmallows, I think, mostly have like this like dome shape, and then our animals and stuff based off of that, where a Squishable, this is a Squishable. This is Leroy, Brittany knows. And so it doesn't have the dome shape, is more, shaped like a platypus. So yeah, so I'll put up the example. I'm going to make a pig. I just thought this would be so cute, and I like sleeping with stuffed animals. Currently, I sleep with like a jumbo hippo, like like half the length of my body, and I thought it would be really fun. And I also just thought that like it would be like a cute gift if you wanted to make for somebody else. You can actually see the holiday shirt lining hanging up, as well as some other things that I've made. But I just thought it'd be like a really cute gift and fun for kids, fun for adults if you wanted to make it for someone. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a pig, but mine is gonna be a blue pig because that's the fabric that I have. So I will show the fabric and I will start making the pattern. Okay, so for the pattern, I have this collapsible stool, and I guess I'll show it like not collapsed in 2 seconds. That's what it looks like set up. I'm going to use that for like the base, like the face of the pig, and then after I trace that, I'll measure out the radius so I can calculate the circumference, and I will use that for the rectangle that will connect the front and the back. And then I think I'm going to try to do the little feet, so I'll just trace a smaller circle that I have somewhere and do the same thing for like that base and that rectangle. And for that, I won't fill it all the way, so it'll be a little thinner to be able to sew in. And then for the ears, it'll kind of be like a half circle shape, I guess. And I will do like the front, like the back fabric matching the whole thing, and then a contrasting front fabric, and fold that in some so it gives that like folded look. Of course I'm going to show off this, but yeah, so that's how I'm going to make the pattern, and then I will probably use the embroidery foot to add the like nose and the eyes. So yeah, I'm going to draw the pattern, and then I'll cut out the pieces and add the face and go from there. Okay, I have all of the pieces cut out in this pile here, and I have the face. So what I'm gonna do, I found this at Michael's. So you're supposed to be able to spray it, and it like gives a temporary hold, so then you can like sew whatever you need to, and it's not supposed to like mess up your machine or your needle. So I'm gonna try this for the face because I think I'm going to connect the snout and the eyes using the open toe darning foot to kind of just get like more stitches in. So which I've used like one time a very long time ago. So I think I'm gonna try to do that, and I'm gonna use this first to make sure it stays in place instead of trying to like pin these small pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll probably start to do the legs and the ears. Also for the legs, as you might notice, I instead of doing just fully I was gonna do the blue kind of like plush and the bottom as like the blue velvet or the hoof, but then looking at some pics on like plushies online, they do like the hoof color is like half of the leg, and I thought that'd be really cute, so I'm gonna try to do that as well, and hopefully it'll look good. Okay, I have the pig's face done. I think it looks really cute. I also shortened the zigzag stitch, and I just think that made it like very helpful, and I did a few passes over the nose. Oh, also, basting spray was pretty good. I didn't know if I wanted to get it because it was $20 at Michael's, and I felt like that was a little pricey, but I was like, I've done my fair amount of patchwork projects. Lola is like right here wanting to be pet, but she also will eat needles, and I have some stuff pinned, so I'm trying to like not let her do that. But I've done my fair amount of patchwork things, and sometimes like I pin it on, it shifts a little, not really that fun. And I think one time I tried to use like a homemade spray. I don't know if I shared that. It's when I made my like circles skirt. I don't know if I actually shared doing that because it didn't work out that well. So I was like, oh, do I want to get this? But then I was like, I think this would be really helpful. And it was great. Like, it did stay. I don't know how long it would stay for. And I think the machine is fine. And it just was really helpful and like not having to worry about it shifting. So yeah. But I have the ears and the legs pinned. So I'm going to sew those. And then afterwards, I'll sew the leg to the bottom, like the circle. So it actually is like the full leg. And then I will stuff them a little bit, leaving some like not stuffing at the bottom so it's easy when I sew the whole body together. So I'm gonna do that and stuff, and then I will keep going from there. Okay, I have the ears and the feet stuffed. I feel like they're gonna be a little big, but I felt like it'd be hard to trim the circle and then like not know how much I need to trim the like rectangle. So either way, I'm going to do a basting stitch, and I'm gonna pin the ears and the feet in, and then I'll baste where those will attach before I actually attach the body to the face. And I will leave a little opening in the back so I can stuff it, and then I will hand stitch it closed. Okay, I have the pig stuffed, so to close this edge, I'm going to try to do a draw stitch. According to my couture sewing book, it's a stitch that goes like when you're connecting two folded pieces together, and I don't think it's used in this case, but um, it kind of hides the seam, so I'm gonna try to do that to finish it, and then the pig will be done. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. I really liked how this turned out. I feel like it's really cute and just so customizable, and it would be a great gift for someone else or for yourself. If you made it this far, comment down below if you have any Squishmallows or Squishables, and stay tuned for the rest of Sewmas. Until next time, bye guys.